Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, today we are doing another 3D printed Beyblade battle. You hear Beyblade printing out in the background. It's just me testing more Smite stuff because Smite's a pain in the neck, and I'm trying to get the perfect version of him. Anyways, we have Onslaught, Stronghold Onslaught. A little bit of filament peel off there. Vanguard Atomic, going up against Rage Longinus, stock combo. Yeah. Some of you may think this is a bad idea. I think this is a perfect idea because, well, to be honest, Onslaught can take him. Except for knockouts, that's a different scenario. First to 7, 1 point. There we go. There we go. Onslaught's knockout resistance isn't the best in the world, but it is good enough. Excuse me? 2-0. If Onslaught bursts out of nowhere, I'm gonna be fuming. Oof. He's killing all of his stamina. Stop it, Onslaught. Don't do that. 3-0, you can take Rage. I know you can because whenever I first tested you, Onslaught, you were able to clap him. So don't start now. Win. Come on, Onslaught, win. 4-0, wow. Why are you making me look bad? You're able to do it. Stop acting up. You want to be launched first? Get to the middle now. Good boy. Bad boy. Did I say you could get knocked out? No, but I didn't say he couldn't lose either. Come on, Onslaught. I know you can do it. What the frick? I'm about to test this theory right now. It's 5-0, but I'm testing something real quick. This point won't count. It may or may not. I don't know. Depends on if I feel like it. So I think my theory may be correct. Yeah, my theory's right. So that's because when I tested him, they were using the same launcher. Okay, well, we're about to change that real quick. So, Onslaught, how you like ripcord? I mean string. Not ripcord. What am I talking about? Onslaught, keep control. Still 5-0. This one, meh. Finally, 5-1. Come on. No! Oh my god. Both bays have an aggression problem. Okay, so with using the same launcher, Onslaught wins 9 times out of 10 from the looks of things. Yeah, 5-2. But when Onslaught's given a weaker launcher, he loses, which is unfair in my opinion, so they both deserve the same power. Ow! Just smacked the freak out of my stadium. Don't worry, he's killing his stamina a little bit, it's fair. My stadiums are set up in a pile on to my right, or to the camera's right. So just smack the freak out of one of them. This about to be 5-3. Looks like it. Come on, Onslaught. Ah, freaking launchers. You know what, let's reposition ourselves a little bit. Oh, that's different. He's sitting in the middle for once. By the way, if his teeth break, I have spares, so it's fine. It'll come down to stamina once again. 5-4 because of the comeback, since it's so real. There we go. No! Bad! That's Astral's job, not yours. Don't you dare act up. You've been good boy. That was lucky, 6-4. I won't even count that, that was fast. See, that's the thing. Onslaught, if you use Tornado's Ridging, it just doesn't help against them. Ooh, wait. This will be interesting. Still 5-4. I didn't count the last one because it was too close. And sorry if the comment section is turned off in my videos. 5-5. Sorry if the comment section is turned off in my videos. Sometimes YouTube turns it off and it really, really makes me mad. And I don't notice it until I look at the comment section of my videos. And I notice there is no comments. So, yeah, it really irritates me. Jesus. That was fast. Funny, but fast. Let's try this again. Onslaught. Calm down. Fine, I'll count that. 6-5. Let's do this. Both are left. Wow. 7-5. I want to go to 8. We're going to 8. One more point. I want Onslaught to go out like that. That's dirty. And whoa, whoa. You are not an attack type, so calm down, you tiny bae. 7-6. They're both left rotation, so Guilty can burst them with a little more ease than a right spin can. Oh, he's sitting in the middle again. Yeah. Never mind. I spoke too soon. Stop being aggressive. You're not an attack type. Oh my god. Why are you so aggressive? Is it atomic? Pretty sure it's atomic. Well, either way, score is 8-6. As you can tell, Onslaught can clap Rage's cheeks with pretty much ease. It's just Rage had the upper hand because he was a lot heavier, and apparently Onslaught doesn't know how to be a defense type. But he is my most successful creation because he's the most efficient at what he does, compared to War Smite, which is only sort of fine for what he does. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this battle video. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to, and I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.